waiting for our next flight. Transit tayo. Nahanap ko lang kung saan yung priority pass na lounge. See you! Kailangan nating i-download ang eGov.ph app and fill up the details on Visit Japan web. So, since Cathay Pacific ang airline natin, may stopover tayo dito sa Hong Kong Airport. Dessert muna tayo after our lunch in the airplane. So, late na tayo nakarating sa hotel. Buti na lang meron pa rin silang receptionist na nakapag-check-in naman tayo agad. This is the semi-double room, non-smoking of Fresa Inn Yokohama Hotel. Bali, we paid 22,992.41 Japanese yen for 2 nights. Full pala. Saan yung ilaw? This is the I Miss You toilet. Wala siyang closet, but you can hang your clothes here. And space for the luggage. Ang view natin is the taxi stop, tapos yung bus stop. And then kung makikita nyo sa right side, sa bandang taas, doon yung walkway ng mga pedestrian. This is our hotel, Fresa Inn. Tapos, outside, nandyan yung bus station. And taxi. So, and then, the right side, nandiyan na yung mall. Hindi na rin kailangan magdala ng pajamas. Kukuha ka na lang dito sa pajama station in front of the elevator. On the way to Chinatown. Hello, good morning. We are in Chinatown in Yokohama. Oh, dito tayo mag-start maglakad papunta ng main Chinatown.
Hello.
Kung makikita nyo, may mga red lantern sa mga poste. Susundan nyo lang yun. If you like this video so far, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell.
On the way. Oo nga, ang sinasearch ko nandoon eh.
Pili ka na lang. Wala ko may...
Ito, Machinro. Baka may kabila to eh. Ito yung nare-recommend, Machinro. Kaya nare-recommend niya oh. Kaya lang iniisip ko parang mas gusto ko yung mga nasa street lang eh, patigim-tigim lang. Gusto mo ba sit in? Ayun orderin natin.
So, we're going to eat lunch here in Machinro.
Kaya pala hinigpitan nila kasi fine dining. Gusto nila na ano, konti lang para yung kakain lang talaga mag-occupy.
So if you like the set, 7,000.
For yan.
Minimum of 2 person. Yun yung mga kasama niyan. Yan yung mga kasama niya. So, hindi ko lang alam kung type mo yan. Pwede na.
Share. 白饭啊，白饭是我的，这个白饭，红饭。
Kung pupunta kayo ng Yokohama, Chinatown, I highly recommend this restaurant. Masarap yung food nila, hindi kayo magsisisi. Very filling, kahit mainit, ang sarap ng soup, pati yung dessert nila. Tapos natin mag-lunch. Tingin tayo ng mga street food. Medyo mainit na.
Ito, kung gusto mo dim sum, honey, oh, mura lang dito. Yeah. Buchi. Yeah, buchi.
Natin pabalik.
Oh, dito.
Ito.
I'm so full pa, we cannot buy Gucci yet.
Matsang, oh.
Fortune teller.
Ano yung mga ano? Mga hula?
Teller. Hindi mo na maintindihan sabihin sa'yo.
We have English translator.
Fortune teller.
There's a lot of palm stuff.
Sugar yan, ice shaving yan.
May milk tea ba yan?
Ano,
Tapos may strawberry.
Looking at this one.
Tapos ice shaving, parang sa Taiwan, ano? Oo.
Bibili ako isa. Para sa akin.
shoot it. Taste test. How is it?
Harap din kahit no syrup.
What's your rating?
Every milk tea for me is 10 over 10.
I think you just like milk, ah. Why are you smiling like that?
You can spend a day walking around here. And when you see something you like, no, you eat, buy.
It's like a very good business
Watashi wa stop. Watashi wa stop. Basta pagkatapos ng hula, dapat you're feeling good na, okay na yan. Yes.
Thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating walking tour sa Yokohama, Chinatown. And ang nabili ko lang dito is miniature teapot set and earrings. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!
Yeah. Chinese na nag-Japanese.
Yeah.